This tutorial is related to the student management project which contains 6 tables. Now the question is, retrieve the student name who attended the class on a specific date. If you notice, these are the tables I required. This is a student table which contains the student's information, enrollment table, and this is the attendance date. Based on these 3 tables, I will join and get the student name. Now here the date I am adding, the attendance date 2022, 04 and 30. That's it. Let's execute the statement. Execute. And here we got the student name. The student attended on a specific date is called Amit Patel. This tutorial is related to the student management project which contains 6 tables. Now my question is, find the faculty name who teaches the course with the highest fees. If you notice, for this example I have taken these 2 tables using subquery to find the highest course name fees who teaches the faculty name. Find the faculty name. So select course teach is equals to, here I am adding subquery, select top one, fees, the fees descending order. That's it. Let's execute the statement. Execute. Oops, yeah, the course ID is 1. Sorry for that. Let's execute the statement. And here we got the Dr. Johnson is a faculty name who teaches a course with the highest fees. This tutorial is related to the student management project which contains 6 tables. Now all my projects, the complete source code available only for the join members. Now come to our question is, identifying the gender ratio from the student table using case statement. If you notice, this is a student table. I want to find the ratio of the male and females. For that I am using select case statement. That's it. Let's execute the statement. And here we got the output, gender ratio from the student table. There are 4 females and 6 males in our student table. This tutorial is related to the student management project. Now the question is, find the student who is studying in computer science. If you notice, I have 3 tables which contains one student information, and second table contains the course information, and the third one is the enrollment data. Now based on these 3 tables, I want to find who is studying in computer science, the student name. So the query is, and the course name here I am adding, let's add the computer science. That's it. Let's execute the statement. Execute. And here we got the student information. The student John, last name is Doe, is studying in the computer science. Here is one more tutorial on student management project which contains 6 tables. Now the question is, find the students who enrolled multiple courses. I require these 3 tables from this project. And one more thing is, all these 3 projects source code available to all join members. Now let's find out the student names who enrolled multiple courses. So the query is, is greater than 1. That's it. Let's execute the statement. Execute. And here we got the output. The student name is Bob who enrolled 2 courses, English Literature and Physics. This question is related to the student management project which contains around 6 tables. Now my question is, find the second highest salary of the faculty with course name. For this tutorial I require these 2 tables from this project. And one more thing, all these 3 projects source code more than 500 plus interview questions with real-time scenario queries available only for join members, the complete queries. Now let's find out the second highest salary of the faculty with the course name. That's it. Let's execute the statement to find the second highest salary of the faculty. Notice here we got the Dr. Johnson is a faculty name and he teaches the course Business Administration. He is the second highest salary. This tutorial is related to the student management project. And the question is, find the total number of male and female students of each course. I want to find the males and female students of each course from this student management project. For that, I require these three tables from this project. And one more thing, all my three projects with the source code available to all join members. Now let's write the query. Select. That's it. Let's execute the statement. Execute. And below we got the output. Notice the male and female students of each courses we got. This tutorial is related to the student management project. All my three projects of the complete source code available to all join members. Now the tutorial is find the total sum of male and female students across all courses. For this, I require these three tables. This is a student table, this is a course table, and this is the enrollment table. Now let's find out sum of male and female students across all courses. Student ID. That's it. Let's execute the statement. Execute. And here we got the number of male and female. This is a female student. Sorry for that. Female student. And this is a female student. Let's execute the statement. Come to the bottom. Here we got the male and female students. Let's execute again. And here we got the total number of students. Male are 7 and female students are 4. This tutorial is related to the student management project which contains around 6 tables. Now my question is, find the student names starts with the letter A from the all courses. For this tutorial I require these two tables from this project. The student table, this is a student table and this is a course table. Now one more thing, all these three projects more than 500 plus queries, interview questions with source code and 100 plus most asked interview questions available only for join members. Once you join as a member in a community chat, you can find all these queries and questions with source code. Now let's write the query. That's it. Let's execute the statement. Execute. And here we got the student names from the courses, from the all courses. The student name starts with A letter A. This tutorial is related to the student management project which contains around 6 tables. Now from these tables I require these tables to find the calculate total fees collected per department. If you notice here, this is a course table, this is a payment table and this is an enrollment table. I want to find the department wise the total fees. For that I am using joins, multiple joins. And one more thing, all these three projects more than 500 plus real-time scenario questions and 100 plus most asked interview questions. Notice here the source code available only for join members. Let's write the query. That's it. Let's execute the statement. Execute. And here we got the department wise total fees from this student management project.